Namaste parents, hello children, this is AJ. Welcome back to our session. We are learning 10th standard CBSE mathematics. In this session, we are starting a new chapter, chapter 9, some applications of trigonometry. We have already finished chapter 8, introduction to trigonometry children. With the help of that chapter, we are doing some applications of trigonometry. Some applications. Applications means uses. How we are using trigonometry. Right children, we have learned trigonometric ratios, identities in before chapter. So here we are seeing applications means uses children. How we are using trigonometry. Right? Trigonometry can be used to measure the height of building or mountains and distances also. Trigonometry is used in construction specially to measure the height of wall and parallel lines. Right children? Width of that wall. In that purpose we use trigonometry in constructions. Trigonometry is used in flight engineering also and marine engineering also children, to find out the angles and lengths, so on, many uses. Right children? Before going into exercise questions, we have to learn what is line of sight, what is an angle of elevation, and what is an angle of depression children. Right? Think this is a building children and this is a person. Correct? So this is a person height. If you want to watch the building top, suppose we are here and if you want to watch the top of the building, tip of this building, so how we will watch? From here to here, right? Not from here, correct? So from here to here, this is our eyes place, correct? You will raise your head and you will watch from here to here. So this line, the line drawn from the eye of an observer to the point of the object where we are observing, right children? That line is called line of sight. Now we will see angle of elevation. Angle of elevation, very simple children. The angle of elevation formed by the line of sight with the horizontal line. Correct children? So this will be the angle of elevation. Do not take this line children, because the person obviously will see from this point only. So take this horizontal line. So line of sight is this one, person eyes to tip of the building. And the angle of elevation is the angle between line of sight and the horizontal line. Right children? The same thing we are drawing here. So A, E here and B, D, C. Right children? Here the person's eye. So eye to this building tip. This is called line of sight. Eye to this horizontal line. This is horizontal line children. So line of sight to horizontal line angle is called angle of an elevation. Now angle of depression children. Think the boy is standing in the balcony of this building children. If you want to see straight means this is the horizontal line. But he want to see the object where down children. Right? Now he want to see the object that is down. He will look down. So from eyes to the object, the line drawn from the eye of an observer to the object is called line of sight children. So this is line of sight here. Same like before. Right? So what is angle of depression? Angle formed by the line of sight with the horizontal line when the object is below the horizontal level. Right children? The angle between line of sight and horizontal line is called angle of depression. Only the difference is here the object is down and in before case the object is above that level. Right children? So this is angle of depression, like this. This will be the angle of depression children. And this is line of sight. Let us start exercise 9.1. First question children. A circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of the vertical pole to the ground. This is the vertical pole. Right children, from here to here that rope is there, 20-meter long. Find the height of the pole. This is the pole. Height of the pole if the angle made by the rope with the ground level is 30 degrees. This angle is 30 degrees and they want this height of this pole AB. Right children? This is the given information children. So we know hypotenuse value and angle we know. We have to find out this AB. Right children? So here we can use sine 30 degrees children because we know hypotenuse and we want this height AB. Right children? So in triangle ABC, use sine 30 degrees. We have already learned trigonometric ratios from before chapter. Right children? So sine 30 degrees equal to opposite by hypotenuse because hypotenuse we know we want opposite only. Right children? So here opposite is AB divided by hypotenuse is AC. We know that sine 30 degrees equal to 1 by 2 children. So AB I am writing AB only and AC is 20 meters. So write 20 here. From this step, just do the cross multiplication. 2AB is equal to 20. Right? This AB is multiplying 2 and 20 is multiplying 1. Right children? 2AB is equal to 20. Therefore, AB is equal to 20 by 2, that is 10 meter. Therefore, the height of this pole is 10 meter children. Second question children. A tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle 30 degrees with it. With it means with the ground. Right children? The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meters. Find the height of this tree. Right children? Think this is a tree children. Due to storm it has broken till here. So this part fell down like this. Right children? And the top of the tree, if it is fell down like this, the top of the tree touches to the ground and it is making angle 30 degrees. Right children? So it is till here. It was broken and the part came like this, that remaining part. Right children? So the top of the tree touches the ground like this. And the angle is 30 degrees children. They have already given the distance between the foot of tree to top of the tree. Right children? That is 8 meters. And they want the full height of the tree. Height of the tree is AC. Right children? So you have to find out BC and this new letter A dash children because it has broken and fell down no. So I am writing the same letter with A dash. So BC and find out A dash B, then add BC and A dash B. So we will get AC. Right children? For this 30 degrees angle, this is opposite children. And this will be hypotenuse and this is adjacent. We know adjacent so that we can find out opposite, right? And we know adjacent, we can find out hypotenuse. First we'll find out opposite children with the formula tan 30. Tan 30 is opposite by adjacent. Correct children? Tan 30 is equal to opposite by adjacent. Opposite is BC divided by adjacent is CA dash. Right children? So tan 30 you know that 1 by root 3. Tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. BC is opposite children. CA dash we already know that 8. So I will write it here. BC by 8 is equal to 1 by root 3. Therefore BC is equal to 8 by root 3 children. 8 will go here, 8 by root 3. So this part is 8 by root 3. But we want this part also A dash B. Now we want hypotenuse children. For hypotenuse we can use cos formula children. Cos 30. Cos 30 is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. We'll write first. Adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent here A dash C divided by hypotenuse here A dash B children. A dash C is nothing but 8 meter divided by A dash B we have to find out. So A dash B I am writing directly, that equal to cos 30 value root 3 by 2 children. Right. So from here A dash B, just do cross multiplication. Root 3 is equal to 8 into 2 16. 8 2s are 16 children. Therefore A dash B equal to 16 by root 3. This root 3 will go right hand side. So it will be 16 by root 3 meters. So this is 16 by root 3 meters. We want the full height of 3 children, that is AC. AC is nothing but AB plus BC. AB is same here, right children? The same part fell down here, that is A dash B. So we will add BC and A dash B children so that we can find out tree height AC. Therefore tree height is equal to A dash B plus BC. We know A dash B, that is 16 by root 3 children, plus BC is 8 by root 3. This equal to, here both the denominators are same children, take root 3 as common. So 16 plus 8. 16 plus 8 is 24 by root 3. 24 we can write it as 3 into 8 children divided by root 3. Again 3 we can write it as root 3 into 8 divided by root 3. Right children? So root 3 will get cancelled. Here root 3 will get cancelled. Therefore total height of the tree is 8 root 3 meters children. You can leave the answer like this. Otherwise 8 into 1.732 you can put, that equal to 14.096 children. Approximately 14 meters is the tree height. Question 3 children. A contractor plans to install 2 slides for the children to play in the park. For the children below age of 5 years, she prefers to have a slide whose top is at the height of 1.5 meters. Here the height is 1.5 meters children, and it is inclined at an angle of 30 degrees. Inclined means it is leaned at an angle of 30 degrees. This is the slide. Whereas for elder children, she wants to have a steep slide at a height of, this is a height, it is 3 meter and inclined at an angle of 60 degrees to the ground. What should be the length of slide in each case? Slide 1 length and slide 2 length we need to find out. Here main thing is understand the question and we have to draw the picture properly. After that it is very easy children. Now first see slide 1 children. This is the angle 30 degrees. So this will be opposite and this is adjacent and this is hypotenuse here. Right. First we will find out for slide 1. So here we can use sine 30 degrees children because opposite we know and we have to find out the hypotenuse. Right children. So in triangle ABC, sine 30 degrees equal to opposite by hypotenuse, that equal to AB by AC children. AB we know that 1.5 divided by AC only. Here sine 30 degrees equal to 1 by 2 children, that equal to 1.5 by AC. Just do the cross multiplication. AC into 1. AC is equal to 1.5 into 2. 3 meter. Right. So AC is equal to 3 meter here. Length of the first slide equal to 3 meter. Now come to the second slide children. Here they have given 60 degrees. This will be the opposite. And this is hypotenuse. This is adjacent children. Here also we can use sine 60 degrees children. Sine only we can use because we want to know the hypotenuse. Opposite we already know. So that take sine only. Sine 60 degrees equal to opposite by hypotenuse, that is PQ divided by PR. PQ is 3 meter divided by PR equal to, we have to find out. So sine 60 we already know that root 3 by 2 children, that equal to 3 by PR, right? Do cross multiplication here. PR into root 3 PR is equal to 2 into 3, 6 children. Otherwise write 3 into 2 only, we can cancel anyway. So PR is equal to, send this root 3 to right hand side. Now root 3 is left hand side. If you send to right hand side, it will be denominator, in the position of denominator, right children? So this 3 we can write it as root 3 into root 3. 2 already there and divided by root 3. Root 3 will get cancelled. So PR is equal to 2 root 3 meters, right children? You can leave the answer like this. Otherwise 2 into 1.732 meters, that equal to 3.464 meters children. So second slide height is 3.464 meters, right children? Question 4 children. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground which is 30 meters away from the foot of the tower, it is 30 degrees. Find the height of the tower, right children? Think this is a tower length AB children, the foot of the tower and a point from the ground children, a point on the ground. The distance between a point on the ground to foot of the tower is 30 meters they given, and angle of elevation is given 30 degrees. We have to find out the height of the tower children, that is AB. So this will be opposite children, and this is adjacent, and this is hypotenuse, right? Here we have to find out the opposite side. Adjacent already given. So which one we have to use children? Tan, right? In triangle ABC, tan 30 degrees equal to opposite by adjacent, that equal to AB divided by BC, right children? So tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3 children. AB we have to find out, and BC already given that 30. So do the cross multiplication. 30 into 1 is 30. AB into root 3 is root 3 AB children. From here AB is equal to, send this root 3 to left hand side, correct children? So 30 divided by root 3. This one we can write it as 3 into 10 by root 3. AB equal to, now 3 we can write it as root 3 into root 3 into 10 already there divided by root 3. Root 3 will get cancelled. 10 root 3. AB is 10 root 3 meters children. So the height of the tower is 10 root 3 meters. Otherwise you can change it like decimal number. Now take root 3 is 1.732 children. AB equal to 10 into 1.732, that equal to 17.32 meters. You can write this also. This is the height of the tower children. Question 5 children. A kite is flying at a height of 60 meter above the ground. This is the ground children. Above the ground it is flying at 60 meters distance. The string is attached to kite is temporarily tied to a point on the ground. Let the point is P. So it is attached to point on the ground, that is P. The inclination of the string with the ground is 60 degrees. This is the angle. Find the length of the string assuming that there is no slack in the string. We want length of the string children, that is KP. Right children? So this is 60 degrees means this is opposite and this is adjacent and this is hypotenuse. We want hypotenuse children. We already know that opposite side. Opposite we know and we have to find out the hypotenuse. So which one we have to use children? Sine. Right? So in triangle KPL, sine 60 degrees is equal to opposite by hypotenuse children, that equal to KL divided by hypotenuse KP we have to find out, and sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. Just do the cross multiplication, children. KL we already know that it is 60, right children? So I will write it directly 60 meters here. Do the cross multiplication here. So KP into root 3 is equal to 2 into 60, right? So KP is equal to 2 into 60 by root 3. This one we can write it as 2 into 3 into 20. 3 20s are 60 now. So I have written as 60 as 3 20s are divided by root 3. Again we can split the 3 as 2 into root 3 into root 3 into 20 children divided by root 3. Root 3 will get cancelled. 2 into 20, that is 40, root 3 already there. 40 root 3 meters is the string length, children. You can leave the answer like this. Otherwise 40 into 1.732 children, root 3 value, that equal to 69.28 meters is the string length, or 40 root 3. Right children? We'll do the remaining questions in next session, children. Thank you very much.